So welcome back guys again to another tutorial. Today we'll be having a tutorial for printing Armstrong number. So let's just get into it. So to print the Armstrong number, first you'll have to make four variables five variables C, D, E, right? Do C equals to 0. I'll explain why later. So now printf, enter a number, right? Then scanf, sorry, D and A, right? Of course, can't forget the semicolon, and then E equals to A. We do this because we want to iterate the E to change it and have it set as something. I'll show you right now. While E is greater than 0, so we can't do it onto A because we'll have to like compare the A with another number which we are going to make. So E, so D is equals to E 10, right? So Armstrong number, right? Armstrong number is, let's say, 1 2 3. So Armstrong number will be like 1 to the power to 1 to 1 plus 2 into 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 into 3. So this is what an Armstrong number is. If any number applies this value, like a b c, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to abc, 371 is an Armstrong number, I think. So I'll show the example of that. With D, what we're doing is picking out the last numerical, as E will have a remainder even if it's 0, picking out the last digit of the number. So we have a number, right? Now B plus equals to D to D to D. So what we're doing here is making a value B, right? So B is B plus D cube. D, let me remind you, D will be the last number, right? D will take a number 1 by 1. Lastly, we put E equals to E by 10. So D will take a number 1 by 1, and B, we have a value in which B plus D cube. So B will be, let's say ABC is a number, right? So B will be A cube. Now A cube plus B cube, and A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This is how it works. And let's say we have 1 2 3, right? What this line will do is put a dot here, right? And take this number and cube it, and then after you divide this number, it will be again this, but because of how C works, it will remove this number and this will remain, and again this, and it will take this and again remove it, and that's how it works, right? So now if I reminded you how we needed the A to be E, I mean the E to be A, because if we put the number here, then it won't, like, you will not be able to compare the number with anything else. So you need the original number. If B is our number is equals to A, remind you how if else works, then we print F D is the Armstrong number, right? And we put B. Now else print F D is not right? So if b equals to a is an Armstrong number. Since b will be equals to a, we put b here. But since the actual number we put is a, so if it's not an Armstrong number, we put a. Some people mistake it by putting b also here, but that will bring a wrong output and you may not be given marks according to who's checking it. So now let's put save. Okay, so we put equals to here. I forgot about that. So if we run it now and put 371, 371 is a Armstrong number because it is 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube is equals to 371. But if we put any other number such as 123, 123 is not an Armstrong number because it is not. So this was a simple tutorial. I'll put the code in the comment section. So that's all. Thank you.